All right, here we go. We're gonna try to clean this old girl up. We owned this truck about 15 years, 16, whatever. Been sitting the last few years. I sold a couple vehicles and decided I'm tired of seeing this one sit and going to waste. She's a little rough, got a little rust, and she's sure nasty where it's been sitting for a long time. But I've kept it started around here every now and again, run it out the road back. We live off on a little side road. But I'm gonna try to get her cleaned up. Like I said, 94, step side, extended cab. When I quit driving this thing, it still had good air. But like I said, it's a little nasty. Gonna have to do a big major cleaning in here too. But things pretty good in it. Except for it just being dirty. Dirty. See there, the door panels are good. That over there is good. Headliner's good. Windshield's good. Got 153,000 miles on it. So probably gonna put her back on the road. Or that's the plan anyway. We got tags and insurance for it this morning. Ain't got them on here yet. You can see last time it was tagged 21, March of 21 when they run out. And actually we parked it before, a little while before the tags run out. But it's got all the 90s goodies on it. Well, it's got one on the tail light, the other one's gone. Probably take this one off too. Got these bars along the bottom. They're a little rough. And there's some more rust on this side. Gotta work on that a little bit. Clear coat's gone, of course. But she's a Silverado. It's got the pretty blue interior in it. I like the blue myself. That seat over there is a little bit ragged. We're gonna see what she looks like cleaned up a little bit. I'll get back with you. Oh yeah, 94 Chevy with a GMC grill in it. But we're gonna change that. I've got one in there now. My old one got busted several years ago. An owl flew off the bank in front of me going to work one morning and busted the grill out of it. So that's why this is in there, but I've got another one. We finally gonna get started working on something. So let's see what this old girl looks like here a little later.